Hey Cajon drummers, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you 4 fun Cajon grooves in 4 different time signatures. The main thing that you need to know about time signatures really from the beginning is that they just control how short or how long the bar of music is. So in this first groove we're in 4/4 time, which means we have a count of 1, 2, 3, 4 beats to make up the bar.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So this next groove that we're going to play is in 5/4 time. We're just adding one more beat onto the end of the bar compared to the previous groove. Now, my favorite trick with these odd time grooves is to try and make them sound as natural as possible. I don't want them to feel odd when you listen to them. So it's a bit of a balancing act. You've got 5 available beats in which you can place your accents. Really, it's just an exercise of balancing weight against time.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so this next one is in 3/4 time, and this is actually a groove that I tried to copy while listening to some Peruvian music. If you're ready, let's give it a go together.
2, 3.
The last groove in this video is where we count and feel the time a little bit differently once again. So we're in 6/8 time. And the best way that I found to remember how that feels is it's like a pendulum swinging back and forth going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning those different grooves in different time signatures. If you'd like to learn more, be sure to check out the rest of my channel, and I will see you on the next video.